Let's learn English from the latest news. This news has been taken from the Daily Star. Former IGP, Inspector General of Police, former or ex. He was an IGP in the previous government. So former IGP Mainul Islam, he has been appointed ambassador. So here you see appointed ambassador. This is the title. That's why the auxiliary verb has been cut out. So former IGP Mainul Islam, appointed ambassador. His full name is Mohammad Mamun Islam. Many of us make a mistake. MD no, it's Muhammad, the short form of Muhammad. So Mohammad Mainul Islam was removed from the Inspector General of Police, Bangladesh Police, that is IGP post 6 days ago. So 6 days ago he was removed from the post of Inspector General of Bangladesh Police, that is IGP. Now he has been made an ambassador. This is the promotion, better position. The Public Administration Ministry issued a gazette. So television, mobile, gazette, sometimes you use laptop, you use tablet. There are things like that. These are called gazette, but here it is gazette, that's written notification. So suppose BCS results come out and there is a gazette, it means that the names who have been recruited, who have passed in BCS are listed there. So a gazette is something very special. So the Public Administration Ministry issued a gazette. It was signed by Mohammad Mamun Shibli, and this man has been this senior assistant secretary. It can be secretary, it can be secretary, but secretary, so this is more used. So secretary over his appointment today. Mainul was appointed IGP on August 7. You know, Sheikh Hasina was ousted on 5th August, and 2 days after that Mainul was appointed as IGP, and it was after the fall of Sheikh Hasina-led government. He replaced Chowdhury Abdullah Al Mamun. So Chowdhury Abdullah Al Mamun was IGP in Sheikh Hasina's regime, but he has been swapped by this gentleman Mainul, and he was removed in the wake of a complete breakdown of law and order situation across Bangladesh. It is talking about the Sheikh Hasina's government, as it is said that it was in the wake of a complete breakdown of law and order. So Sheikh Hasina's government has been criticized here. Prior to that, Mainul Islam was the commandant of the traffic and driving school. Traffic and driving, when you have no traffic signal, if you violate traffic, when you violate, if you do not have traffic license. So this is traffic and driving school. It is under traffic control and it is under driving school. Mainul Islam is now 58 years old. He began his police career in January. So pronunciation is difficult. February, but this is January 1991. He has also served in police's elite force. So elite force, rapid action battalion. So it stresses here battalion. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.